Organizers say more than 1 million Israeli protesters are demanding a ceasefire deal with Hamas. They want to bring home the remaining 50 hostages. Planners say a series of events yesterday included rallies in several cities, a nationwide strike, and this massive protest in Tel Aviv's Hostage Square. Actress Gal Gadot also is showing her support.
I think pressure on the government is critically important.
20 Israeli hostages are believed to be alive as the Israeli government plans a takeover of Gaza City.
This Israeli government clearly has more focus on avenging the dead than it does on redeeming the living. Not that's not important to fundamentally erode and eviscerate Hamas's military capacity.
Protesters say continuing the war is futile. They say Hamas is too devastated to pose a future threat. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says he disagrees. He argues the demonstrations will harden Hamas's stance.
Or that the horrors of October 7th will be repeated and that we will be forced to fight an endless war.
Critics argue the government is using the war to help it remain in power. The Israeli president echoes Netanyahu's claim while striking a more empathetic tone.
I want to say to our brothers and sisters all over the world, we are together in this plight. We want the hostages back home.
Some areas along the East Coast are bracing for Hurricane Erin. Today, forecasters predict it'll stay offshore. Tomorrow, towering waves and local flooding could impact North Carolina. Evacuations are underway in parts of the Outer Banks.
We know the drill, and probably better to be safe than sorry.
Dare County is in the hurricane's crosshairs, and it's under a state of emergency. Officials say some beach houses there are at risk.
We needed to get the visitors and get our public out of there before those events occurred.
County officials say this evening's high tide could impede travel along the main highway of the island chain. They say hurricane waves could be worse.
The water doesn't roll back. It's going to push up into our communities and up onto our infrastructure, our highways, our roads.
Officials say that could cut off people later if they don't evacuate now.
Take out pavement, breach the road anywhere along Highway 12, then anything to the south of that breach you can't access.
A high risk of rip currents will continue up the Atlantic seaboard through Thursday. Parts of Maryland could see 11-foot waves. Officials in New Jersey say water conditions there are dangerous already.
We have a rip current warning, we have rough surf warning, we have storm warning, and conditions are bad.